Day 2.
But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong, and I grew strong, and I learned how to get along, and so you're back.
Oh wait, yeah.
Oh.
Here with that sad look upon your face, I should have changed that stupid lock. I should have made you leave your key.
Oh jeez.
Oh, walk out the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore.
It's Machi in the wild. What do you have to say?
This is the day the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it.
It's a pretty good day today. We got the sun out, salty air, smells like the beach, feels like the beach. Where are we?
Oh.
Wait, that's classified.
Oh!
We've arrived.
Yes!
I'm a little nervous at It feels refreshing. Not really, it's kind of hot. It's very fat porn. It's like 2:45, and I am very tired. But yeah, it's been a good day. It's been a real good day.
Nice. What are we doing?
We're waiting to work out.
Wait, say it again with more energy.
We're waiting to work out.
We got to have you to rise up! I'm here to rise! I came here to conquer! Oh. Yes!
It's workout time.
Let's get it started in the rain.
From baby, and ooh, won't you take me back right away? Baby, tender woody, you got to be. Start to leave your sugar fly with me. Don't you know now is the perfect time? We can make it right in the city lights. When the night is the love.
The workout must continue, rain or shine. A little update. It was like thundering and lightning, so now we're in here.
Oh.
No more, no more. Play with my dog, you know more, bottles of bottles, you know more, moving too fast, you know we on.
Bro, no way she's trying to put it back in. Now it's broken.
I just did pull-ups up there.
Dinner. Game time. Dessert break. Day 2 done. We're about to watch Full House. Good night.
Yeah.